Has your boat lost its luster? Does she no longer have that new boat shine? If you're no longer in love with your boat's finish or being haunted by old repairs, gel coat worn down and fiberglass starting to show through, spider cracks starting to appear getting larger in size, had electronics upgraded and the correct repair never made, or those leaky cleats band-aided instead of repaired properly, then this video will get you headed in the right direction to restoring the boat you love so much. She could look just like the project boat we're about to go over now. We're going to need some tools for this job, such as masking tape, gloves, squeegees, various grits of sandpaper, Scotch-Brite pads, a caulk gun, screwdrivers, sanding blocks, foam hot dog rollers, paint trays, a tipping brush, paint sticks for mixing, and cups for measuring. On this project, we're going to use some Flexpoxy to repair and re-strengthen the areas that are flexing and causing the spider cracks. Flexpoxy can be used with or without a mixing tip. We're also going to use Easy Prime, Easy Poxy, Easy Dex, Easy Poxy Performance Enhancer, as well as 92 Bio Blue to both de-wax and remove contamination. All these products can be found on PettitPaint.com. Written instructions, SDS sheets, tips and tricks, quick links for associated products, as well as color cards could all be found here. To get started, remove all eye straps, cleats, sail tracks, or any other hardware on the deck. Now we're going to go ahead and de-wax and remove all contamination on the surface using 92 Bio Blue and Scotch-Brite pads. Grind out areas that require repair, like stress cracks to be filled with Flexpoxy or areas that need filling. Thoroughly sand all areas to be painted, especially repair areas, to make sure they have been made flush. You can now go ahead and tape off the areas to be painted. Easy Prime is high solids and built to hide many imperfections, so the product may settle. Make sure it's well mixed. Do a complete wipe down with 120 brushing thinner to remove all sanding residue prior to painting. Then go ahead and apply the Easy Prime using a short nap or foam roller. This is a good time to hone your roll and tip skills. Roll on the product in an opposite or same direction depending on the area, then come back with a lightly damped tipping brush and remove any air bubbles or runs. As you can see, Easy Prime has done a fantastic job hiding all the imperfections previously shown. 2 to 3 coats of high gloss Easy Poxy will now be applied prior to Easy Dex. Easy Dex is high solids and must be mixed thoroughly. Easy Dex is a topside urethane with a built-in non-skid for walking areas to increase slip resistance. We are using 6 capfuls of Easy Poxy Performance Enhancer in this quart of Easy Dex to improve longevity and dry the product faster for quicker service. We chose contrasting colors to break up the previously all-white topsides on this vessel. And here she is all wrapped up. Most of any painting project is the elbow grease and prepping, but it's nothing a do-it-yourselfer can't handle in a weekend. Look at these results. Check out PettitPaint.com or call us regarding your next project.